This is the trading review for Tuesday, Wednesday, the 25th of October 2023. It was a very complicated day. I ended up trading Tesla and Microsoft, but Microsoft was a mess. I had horrible risk controls, and it actually worked out at the end, but it needed a very wild entry and stop loss, and all of this is just getting stopped out and not understanding the risk. Luckily, I was able to make all of these losses up with this trade. I guess that's a good thing. This was a very spready loss. That's a 2 hour loss, 1 hour loss, 1 hour loss. Another entry with confirmation and got out at 4 point something R. So I ended up at break even, but this is just very choppy trading. I don't know if I want to count it. So I guess the ideal entry would have been on this doji with a stop loss around 345.20 or 345, and then just trade it all the way down. The thesis that I had was this one, but I removed it because simply that stock was too wild for me, and that's the issue with trading such a high price stock, that the spread and the price jumps are very wild, and I need to be careful with that. But Microsoft ended up doing what I planned. It was a gap day with an inside day, and it ended up attempting to return to value. We're breaking out from the pre-market, so I think it's very possible, unless we stop at a previous daily level. But I doubt that's gonna happen. But anyways, we're gonna move on from this because managed to pretty much neutralize the craziness. And on Tesla, I had Tesla as a side one, so we were opening inside yesterday's range, yesterday's value as well. So I was looking at it, and I waited for the stock to hit R3 because we had still a bullish ladder. I was very tempted to go in short, and I almost felt that I missed my opportunity on this drop, but actually pulled back with a too large candle, 2 minute candle extension. So that kind of gave away the intention of the stock because this was too natural for Tesla at this point. And we formed a nice doji, and I managed to nail a perfect, beautiful entry. Maybe I should have been more ambitious with my share sizing, but at this point, emotionally, after what happened with Microsoft, I just didn't have the patience or the emotional capital to continue trading. So I decided to get a 2 to 1 out a 2 to 1 R, and then we return. And then once we came back, I decided, you know what, I'm not in the best mindset to continue trading and end the day at a loss. So I decided to end the day at minimum goal. But you can see how that was a mistake because I should have partial strictly according to my strategy at 3 to 1, and then at another move down, return, add to my position, and perhaps partial even more, to end the day at around 5 to 6 R, maybe 5 R, and be very happy with my day today. But a bunch of mistakes. I should have been more mindful of Microsoft, the way it will have traded. But I did miss out on this entry right at the 2 minute candle after we tested. So that was too painful, and I should have realized that this was gonna be a reversal right here. So, anyways, we're gonna talk about Microsoft because I was just very lucky to neutralize all those losses. So I would say yes. It was a very strange experiment on Microsoft. We managed to get all of this right. I had excellent pre-market analysis. Adapted to changes with the ladder Level 2 to make decisions. We spell decision. Decisions. 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 I did hit goal 100%. 51 trade, 1-0, and resulting in 2.1 R, which is fine. And small loss yesterday, but we're right back on the right track. A trade, yes. It was balance and 1 and 2.1 on Tesla. And it's the same here for the stats. Finally a good trade, yes, 1 and 2.1. So that's it for my trading review today. Excellent day. I learned something new, but managed to recover from all of this craziness. Had to be mindful of what price stock I'm trading. It's very